Hello, welcome. I am starting this series regarding mistakes in option tradings. People do a lot of mistakes in option tradings regarding the selection of underlying assets, different timings, different strike price, like they have multiple lot of strike price, 50 after 50 increment, 100 increments, like, or maybe 25 different strike price, or in different expiries they will choose near the very expiry options or high IV environment implied volatility tradings in options. But in this lesson focus is buying the far OTM options. Why we choose buy far OTM options, generally very far OTM options, because they are very cheap. You have to pay less premium or less money for these options. Number two, you can build very heavy position sizing like 10 lots, 20 lots, 50 lots, maybe 100 lots for that. So you will expect you will get profit if you have multiple lots. Third things, people say when you say buying the option, they have in mind they have unlimited profits. But in the real market scenario, only 1% at a time this time of situations happen. 99% it's not going to happen unlimited profits. So I have option chains. I will show you where the you can find far OTM options, why you avoid these options. So today is the 7th July. So I will pull the next week option tradings, option chains. So you will see here the ATM is written here. The spot is 24,398. Very close this strike price 400. So this is ATM options. So these are the ITM options, yellow one, call options. These are the OTM options. You see left side, right side, these are the put. Yellow is the ITM options. These are the OTM puts. So the price is moving up here. We will consider the only call options. You will see in ITM options, they are very expensive premium. So this is not money you will pay. You have to pay multiply by lot size. This 235 into 65 is lot size. You have to pay that money. So the delta is near about here. ITM is approaching 1, means how much option will change, your premium will change when the underlying asset moving 1 point. So these are definitely change, very heavily change. These are very less change. So these OTM options you will see here very less change are observed. So you can buy a lot of here. This is a 24,300. So you can buy even for 25,000, 26,000, even more and more. You will see here 26,000 options. So delta will be very less. And even underlying move 1% or 2%, these options will not change because delta is very less, and theta decays also work against you, or maybe IV will also work against you. So option seller can think about these selling the options instead of buying these options. Option buyer can avoid these options. So I will go to the simulator. When on 3rd July you will see the index at 24,300 near. So I will pick that option on 3rd July. If you can see, I will pick at 9 a.m. regarding the 9:20 in option simulators. This is a time regarding, yeah. So the premium is at 3.6 into 65 lot size. That will be your rupees in Indian rupees, RS. So 180 rupees near the these options. So people thinks If it's go index going up and up, then I will make money on this strike price. This will go to the maybe 36 or 300 price, this one. But when you simulate these price, you will see index will go up, the spot will be changing here. See, spot is changing. Now it's touching near 24,500. That time, this one 10 a.m. is 24,300. So even spot is moving 1% up, you will still lose the money in option tradings buying the for OTM options. This will kill your portfolio, this will kill your accounts if you have traded 100 lot, 1000 lot of these options. So please avoid these options very far OTM options. When you have little near the expiry, maybe you can consider if your expiry is very long like this one, but still theta is decaying your option. You have to careful about the timing of the options regarding the OTM options, which is very far. When you have choose the IT option, then you can make still money in ITM option because probability is very high, delta is very high. I have a lesson regarding the option Greeks, please watch that. So these options should be avoided when you buying the options OTM. That is major mistakes option beginner do this type of trading. So I hope you will like this video and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.